Welcome. In today's video, we'll guide you through a simple process to prevent Facebook from automatically downloading files on your PC. If you've been looking for a way to take control of this feature, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to facebook.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, pay close attention to the web address bar at the top of your browser. Next, look for a small lock icon or similar symbol located next to the web address. This represents the View Site Information option. Click on it to open a drop-down menu that provides various settings related to Facebook's permissions. From this drop-down menu, locate and select Site Settings. This will redirect you to a new page where you can manage all permissions for Facebook on your browser. Now, scroll through the list of permissions until you find one labeled Automatic Downloads. By default, this might be set to Allow, which is why Facebook can automatically download files without asking for your permission. To stop this behavior, click on the drop-down menu next to Automatic Downloads and select Block. This action will prevent Facebook from initiating any automatic downloads on your PC moving forward. Once you've made this change, there's no need to save anything manually. Your browser will automatically apply the updated settings. And that's it. You've successfully blocked automatic downloads on Facebook with just a few clicks. This small adjustment not only helps you save bandwidth, but also gives you more control over what gets downloaded onto your computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.